All right, boy, do I have a treat for you. The camera's over there. My face is there. The camera's right there. So you're gonna see me look over there. You know, just know the camera's there. Screen is here. All right, all right. Now, I got a treat for you. Okay. Not only did I get my colors correct, not only did I get my colors correct, I also sped up the print. Yeah. So it's printing faster at actually this honestly I can't tell the difference between the qualities. It's that freaking close. And I really don't have to mess with it anymore because it really is good the way it is. So let me say this again. Not only did I get the colors accurate enough, you look at it, you can't really tell the difference. All right. I also sped up the print speed. So it's printing faster at the right color at roughly the same quality. Roughly. All right. Watch this. This is the very last one of all the ones up there. See that? All right. So this bad boy right here. All right. Look. I want you to look. See? Nice. No banding. They call it banding, but there's no overlapping of the print. Oh, sorry. Under coverage of the print head prints. All right. That one. Let's see. That one's lighter. That one's lighter. That one's even lighter. That one's kind of okay. But that right there, see how good that color comes out? That is the full quality. That's the best quality I'm getting out of the printer and prints at a decent speed. Okay. So this is a high quality print at a slower, you get a slower speed print, but the quality is just awesome. There's no flaws in this print. All right. And I've gotten pretty close to this. There it is. Roughly the same quality. The only difference is this one's a little darker. It's like that much. But this one down here, which is a faster speed, much faster, and I'm getting roughly the same coverage. The colors are the same, bright colors. But if you have to really look at it to see that the difference from that the ink. The amount of ink and coverage you get from that one, you don't quite get it here. All right. Again, you're talking about nitpicking. I'm nitpicking at this point. So I'm getting faster print, roughly the same quality. And if I really need to, I can tweak this a little bit higher. I can put some more ink down, but I don't want to because I don't want to make the print too stiff. All right. So that's why I didn't put any more ink down. And I still have to tweak I have to back something else down, and I'll just mess with that later. But that's what it is. That's the faster print at the higher quality. That one and this one will be the two. Oh my goodness. Qs I'll release both of them at the same time, so you can pick between the really good quality if you need to print it, or you want to print faster. You can choose between the two, and that's the one you can use. Just wanted to put it out there that. Yeah. All right. Peace.